Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, man. So it's a brand new day again. Wake up, and this morning it's gonna be harvesting. You know what I mean? And what will I be harvesting? You may ask or think. Well, I'll be harvesting some Callaloo. Yes, I don't have much of them, but the few that I have can make breakfast. You know what I mean? And this is them right here. Yeah, look lovely. Right in between the soil I plant them. So I know of okra. Take a look here. I have young okra there, which I'm excited about. I'm on the tree, looking lovely. For the people that watch the video when I was actually doing these containers, you guys would have known that this compost right here is the one that I bought from the shop, and this one right here is the one that I made with all my fruits and veggies and all that. And have you guys noticed something different? Take a look at the soil, how big these ones are, and even so much leaves and branches already, versus these ones that I bought. This is the compost that I bought. The compost. See, like I'm saying compost, what the hell? But yeah, you notice the difference. And with all of these in between them, it still never stopped them from growing this good. You know what I mean? So yeah, the homemade compost really works better than the one that I bought from the shop. You can tell the difference. And they were all at the same size. It's not like these were younger than these. No, they were all on the same size when I did this. So that just shows you the difference, eh? Yeah, man. Alright, and this is the other one. See how big this grow? I think it tried to outgrow everything, so it just grew all the way up here. So I'll be cutting this one, and then there's another smaller one around there, and I'll be mixing them, the green and the red. You know what I mean? Yes, man. And also I have an okra to harvest, which is one. I don't want it to grow too big and then get too tough, so it's just one at the moment on that size. So I'm gonna be taking that one there. Yeah, man. Look at all my beans, my dwarf beans blossoming, So that is a good look. And this right here, my people, this is melon. This is watermelon right here. And to be honest, I've planted melon before, back in Jamaica anyway, and it was very hard to grow. Like, I feel like melon, if you don't know how to grow it, it's very difficult. So I'm just hoping there'll be some progress with it. I mean, it looks promising so far. I guess it's just me to maintain it the right way. And yeah, you guys give me tips on how to grow melon. You know what I mean? I can simply go on YouTube and do that, but I like to read your guys' comments as well. Yeah. One in between here. And that one here look powerful. So we'll cut it right here. Leave this to grow. You know what I mean? So I think I'll just cut off this one branch. Yeah, man, and those will actually spring right back. So that's the small stem there. That's gonna be left. Just like this one. Those are gonna spring right up back. We have more. Lovely. this okra. This is the same green callaloo. Already have blossom on it, which is a good thing. You know what I mean? That mean I'll be having seeds. You know, so yeah man, I won't be out of red callaloo nor the green one. I'll have for next season where I don't have to buy any of these. So yeah man, it's a good look. This right here is more callaloo, young one. Here's another one again. Them just need a bit of tender love and care, you know, and them be good. But yeah man, I look forward to these tomatoes as well. You can see they're like, they have blossom and all too. Alright my people, so this is the harvest of the morning. You know what I mean? I have what? 3 green callaloo, 2 red one, and an okra. So this will be for the breakfast this morning. Yeah man, and let me know, have you ever tried the blend of both together, red and green? You know, that should be very interesting. So yeah man, give thanks for people. Stay tuned for what's next. You can see all these chairs here. So over the Christmas period, you know, we have family members over and thing, and you know, barbecue and all that, and just enjoying the evening sunset out here in the backyard, you know what I mean? So yeah man, it's been a vibe, it's been good. Yeah man, so now it's New Year's next. So that is it my people. Look at too, I have a cucumber right here, which is yeah, ready for pick. Yeah man, nice one. I have plenty, look at this. You can see cucumber there. A nice size one in between there. And here's another one right there. And so good amount of cucumber. And this one can work with. Update on the capsicum, sweet pepper. That's what they're doing. Just water them. And looking lovely too. Still have plenty of pepper and tomato growing in between as well. So fun fact people is that I've actually upgraded to iPhone. You know, has been a few months now, and yeah, I'm no longer using Android. iPhone is the way, you know what I mean? And yeah, this is what I used to film most of my garden videos these days, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so I bought myself a gimbal here. It just gets the job done easy, you know? Like if I go like this, wanna do for TikTok, or I wanna go back to regular vlogging, just like that, use this to rotate. You know, you can let it track you as well. Like you put down the camera and it tracks you, it spins wherever you turn and thing like that. And so yeah man, it mad. And the stabilization, top notch. You want to hit record, just simply press that button, your video start recording. Mad. So you all can see these 2 pieces of yam that are shown in previous video. That and I said that I complete the yam hill, and I totally forgot that I had these 2 pieces. So what I'm gonna be doing is just planting them next to the ones in the container. You know, so I put together this dirt and you know stuff that was breaking down, and I'll be planting them here. So these will go directly into the ground in a sense. So yeah, that's what's up. And I'll be putting them in here, cover them up. Yeah, man, so these were supposed to be eaten, but I left them too long and I saw them start growing. So, you know, this is what I'm doing with them. You know what I mean? So, that is that. Yeah, man, I can't run out of yam for now at all. Right now, them start to run like, look at that. Start going up. So, progress happening. So, I'll be doing that. In no times, these will be going. Once that. Yes, man. It's a good look, my people. So that is that. This now completes the whole garden of yam. That those are actually pine skin, and some eggshell and all them things. So I just throw them in here. Yeah, man. So that is that. So now look at this, my people. These cucumber them grow so fast I didn't even realize how big these are behind here. Look at that. You can look at them, my people. Let's three of them. Just look on my hand and you notice the size of that. So you know it started to dry up, so definitely this is ready. And there's one more here. Another one here. Yeah, man, so see them start dry up. Wow. Now I also have more okra. And these are at the perfect stage now to be picked, otherwise they're gonna be too old. I don't want that, so. Didn't bring a knife. Yeah, man, these are at the perfect stage. Yeah, man, so I'm seeing tomatoes now. I'm seeing small tomatoes on these trees, which is a good look. There's one right there. The big tomato them start to push out. I'm excited. This is the first video of the new year. Today is January 5th. Yeah, man, so first video I'm filming for the new year. Yeah, man, and take a look at what I have here. Some big, nice, juicy, fleshy tomato, you know, or tomato. Yeah, but these are some big ones, and as you can see, they're hot right about now. Yeah, man, quite a few. I'm just gonna show you what other surprise I have. But before that, take a look at the rest of the tomatoes. Anyway, you can see definitely we have some big tomato forward up. And they actually grow tall, like really tall. So I have the sticks and I tie them up and thing like that. So the surprise is the dwarf beans. So I have dwarf bean again. As you all remember from last season, I did well with the dwarf beans. And yeah, I have some here. They already have on some. You can see under there. And these plants here have dwarf bean on them. So yeah. We have the corn here. And the sun is rising. Well, the sun is up already, but yeah. Oh yeah, and the other surprise is you all see that banana already, and I have one here. I know you all said I should bag them. I haven't done that as yet. You know what I mean? But take a look at this. So as you can see, that's a banana shoot right there, and this one is different from this banana. So my father-in-law wife, she's Thai, from Thailand, and she gave us this one and said to plant it. And yeah, so right now it's shoot, so yeah, we have to see what type of banana it is. Yeah man, so yeah, definitely looking forward to that. And this are the pumpkin looking lovely, you know. So it's a fruitful garden, you know, like a Jamaica I do its things same way.